Hi, I'm Nick Seitz, and I'm here with,
Nico Borgia.
and today we're here to talk about if taking care of yourself personally correlates to a better professional life.
We believe that taking care of oneself outside of work physically will translate into increased mental health and capacity and success within the workplace. Exercising and eating well can and will make someone feel good about themselves, and it helps people become more confident. Exercising releases chemicals in our body that make us feel good, called endorphins. In a study by CBS, they found 9 out of 10 teens feel as they do not get enough exercise. As stated previously, exercise is extremely beneficial to individuals, making this an issue. On average, Bishop Gorman students exercise 5.26 hours a week, and the recommended time for working out has been defined as 150 minutes a week. Gorman students may be defined as successful because most play sports, and that transfers over into real life applications.
Playing sports can help develop skills that are valued in the workplace, such as increased self-drive, perseverance, and teamwork. 18.3% of respondents in a study exercise less than 1 hour per week. We possess a 90% confidence interval between 0.551 and 0.709 captures the true proportion of total students that play sports at Bishop Gorman High School. An interesting statistic showed up. 76% of the males play sports and only 50% of females play sports at Bishop Gorman. A reason why athletes can be constructed as more successful is because of their involvement in sports, which teaches valuable life lessons. Factors remain present outside of exercising and playing sports that make people prosperous. Now, to stop boring you with just the facts, my good friend Nico interviewed someone.
I interviewed my good friend, and we'll show you that right now. This is Alex. What grade are you in?
12.
What high school do you go to?
Sierra Vista.
All right. What is your work experience?
My first job was at Dairy Queen, and now I work as a carpenter for a garage cabinet company.
How many hours of sleep do you get on average?
During the week, it's probably like 6, but then on the weekends, it's closer to 8 or 9.
To sleep in and stuff. Would you consider your diet to be healthy?
Not currently.
How many hours of exercise do you get a week, on average?
Well, I'm going to start doing more, so it's probably going to be around like 2 or 3.
It's pretty good. Do you notice a correlation of taking care of your body and it transferring over to your work ethic?
Yeah, because when you eat healthier, you have more energy and you're more able to focus on everything.
Do you think like exercise helps too, with like endorphins and stuff?
Yeah.
Just makes you feel good.
I think it does.
All right. Well, thanks for interviewing. All right.
Having a healthy diet contributes to many different factors of the human body, physically and mentally. Making the switch to a healthier diet remains difficult because one must sacrifice sugar and convenience in order to live a healthier lifestyle and later translate into a work setting. The World Health Organization recommends a sugar intake of only 5% of total daily calories per person, which corresponds to about 26 grams of sugar per day for a 2,000 calorie diet. Those who watch what they eat reduce a risk of heart attack and other diseases. Conclusively, it would be very beneficial to a student and or an employee to eat better because it increases a person's motivation, and actually having a healthy diet increases energy, which remains immensely important to exercise, school, and work. 56% of Bishop Gorman students believe that they have a considerably healthy diet. Since the majority of students have healthy eating habits, they play sports and actually perform better than students grade-wise compared to other schools.
Sleep continues to remain necessary to perform exceptionally, whether for school, work, or sports. In a study, 28% of teens get about 7 hours of sleep each night. The average mean of sleep Bishop Gorman students receive has been observed as 6.84 hours. On average, majority of the students receive nearly 7 hours of sleep at night, which correlates to Bishop Gorman students deemed as successful. We have concluded 90% confidence that the intervals 5.079 to 5.161 show the true mean of sleep Bishop Gorman students receive. Sleep translates to a success as being well rested, allows you to make better decisions and to become triumphant in sports or a work environment. Enough with the facts. And we got another interview.
With my good friend, Gianna Gomez. All right, I'm with,
Gianna,
and I'm going to ask you a couple of quick questions. What is your grade level?
12,
What high school do you attend?
Bishop Gorman,
What is your work experience?
none.
Interesting. Would you consider your diet to be healthy?
50-50,
How many hours of sleep do you get on average?
like 6 or 7.
How many hours a week do you exercise?
Probably like upwards of 10.
Do you notice a correlation of taking care of your body and it transferring over to your work/school life?
Yeah, because when I work out, it gives me extra energy to do stuff. And if I just stay home and do nothing, I'll just take a nap and go to sleep.
All right, thank you.
In the academic year of 2016 to 2017, 36,975 students from the United States worked, interned, or volunteered abroad for which they did not receive any credit. Holding a job while going to school may not be easy, but working and playing a sport at Bishop Gorman may be expressed as strenuous. We believe that a correlation exists between the amount of success you will have in your job with taking care of yourself through exercise, sleep, and having a healthy diet. In a recent survey conducted at Bishop Gorman High School, results displayed that 20% of students currently work. To delve in further, 24% of Bishop Gorman males and 18% of Bishop Gorman females currently work. This statistic may be viewed as impressive because the majority of females and males play sports at Bishop Gorman.
All right, Mr. Moore's fourth period stats class.
That's a wrap. Thanks for tuning in to our video. Thanks for watching and learning about some stats with us. Oh.